Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about these ear hooks that are specifically designed for AirPods. If you're like me, then you've probably run into this problem where when you're wearing your AirPods and you're getting up, you're walking, or you're exercising, and they slip right out of your ears and they fall to the floor. These ear hooks have allowed me to wear my AirPods for long periods of time without them ever falling out. They're super easy to put on. All you have to do is put your AirPod through the loop, and then you hook it onto your ears, and then they stay on for forever until you take them off. They're super light and come in a bunch of different colors, so you can match them with your outfits or choose the color that you like the most. I've been able to use these ear hooks while going for a jog, going out for a walk, or running errands, whatever it may be. And once I place them on my ear, my AirPods sit comfortably on my ears and they do not move at all, which is something that I do appreciate because I'm not constantly nervous thinking about whether my AirPods are going to fall out of my ears or not. If you're like me, then these ear hooks are the great fit for you, but that's just my point of view.